Welcome back to part 2 of the making of the Carrello with vertical edge. This time we're putting the top onto the Carrello. Check this out. It's so simple and easy. I was pleasantly surprised.
Okay, so we've got our Carrello. We've got the case structure. We made this from our standard plywood. It's very similar to how chassis are made for cars. They have a rigid left-right beam, and that's what we have here to keep it nice and rigid.
Now we've got the top rod that we're going to hang with some leather straps. It's very easy to just snap them in through the little holes. They are adjustable. And then once you get the rod through, we have a beautiful, cute little hanging sign. And check out how easy this unit can turn around and maneuver. It's got an adjustable wheel on the front and then 2 stationary wheels on the back. And they are heavy-duty wheels. And here we have the full complete skeleton so far. We're super excited to see what it looks like with the tambour acoustic paneling on the front and on the crown.